Oh wait, my dreams have no time to play, so go. Me hanging around you? I don't think so. What makes you think I'll stoop so low? Mediocrity gets all of me.
Mediocrity, didn't you hear? When you leave, dreams appear. And those with no point of view are the ones you get to. So get off of me, mediocrity.
Mediocrity, my productive flow is too slow. So go. Hey, mediocrity, my dreams did not invite you to stay. In the end, you are not my friend. Mediocrity, get off of me.
Want a sure way for your dreams to end? Introduce your life to mediocrity and let it come in. Good morning, mediocrity. Where do we begin? Good night, mediocrity. I wasted another day again. Mediocrity, get off me.
Mediocrity is that thing that sings out of key. That song about dreams that will never be. Mediocrity finds the insecure part of you and fools you into believing dreams can't come true. Mediocrity, get off me.
Mediocrity has no particular gender, age, or color. It disguises itself as a mother, daughter, father, or brother. I once had a friend named Mediocrity, but it left as soon as I found the greatness inside of me. So mediocrity, get off